Welcome to Atmi University video lecture series. Today we will discuss one of the very general topics in grammar, and the topic name is articles in English language. It seems very simple topic, but it is very essential as far as the grammar of English language is concerned, because grammar in writing English language is very important. As far as communication skill is concerned, there are two important skills that we have to master upon. One is speaking skill and the second is writing skill. So whatever we write, we as a professional students cannot make any mistake, make any error while we write. So therefore the topic articles is very important. So we will try to understand what are these articles, how articles are used. Basically we have three articles that is known to all, but how they are used, there is a slight difference among these three articles in English language. So let us discuss topic for a while. English language has three articles, as all of you know: a, an, and the. These articles are used before nouns to show whether the nouns are general or specific. Before we discuss articles in detail, as it is used before nouns, we must understand what nouns are. So let us understand categorically first nouns. So we have common nouns, as you can see on your screen: cow, book, bag, man, boy, or bowl. These are common nouns. Then we have proper nouns. Let's say, for example, India, Delhi, Avinash, Mr., Mishra. So any name of city, place, any name of a person, they are called proper nouns. Then we have abstract nouns: beauty, love, joy, fear, courage. They are uncountable. We cannot count abstract noun, as well as we can also not count proper nouns. Collective nouns: group, team, crowd, army. Then we have mass nouns. They are again uncountable: water, oil, ghee, milk, sugar, and salt. So now you can look at on your screens. This is the category of nouns. Some of them are countable nouns and some of them are uncountable nouns. When we discuss articles, for us countable nouns are very important, because we make use of article before countable nouns. For example, common nouns are countable nouns. Cow, we can count them: one cow, two cows, three cows. Proper nouns we cannot count. Abstract nouns we cannot count, they are uncountable. Collective nouns, again, they are countable. Mass nouns, uncountable. So countable and uncountable nouns, once we have cleared with it, let us move ahead. A, N, and the, these are the two types of articles. The article a and n, they are called indefinite, and article the is called definite. Basically we have three articles, but three are divided into two categories: a, n, indefinite, and the is definite. For example, a boy and the boy. Boy is common noun, boy is countable noun, but before this countable noun, a is used, article a is used, and also article the is used. So what is the difference? Let us understand. A boy, when I say a boy, that means a boy in general, any boy, the boy is not particular, the boy is not specific that I am referring to. A boy means it can be any boy which I have not seen, I have not met. So I am talking about a boy means one boy in general, not specific boy. Then I have the boy. The boy means I am talking about particular boy. I am talking about specific boy which I have seen, I have experienced. I am referring to that boy. So when the countable noun is specific, I make use of the. Definite. Definite means exact. Definite means specific. It means particular. So while I am talking about any particular aspect, I make use of the. It is definite, certain. And if it is in general, I make use of a, n, or a or n, that is indefinite, that is in general. So there are some rules that we will have to learn how to make use of these articles properly in writing. Rule number 1, let us see. When you have a single countable English noun, you must always have an article before it. This is a rule that any single countable English noun must have noun before it. We cannot say, for example, please pass me pen. Here you can see in this sentence there is no article used before noun pen. Pen is a noun in this sentence, this is article and this is single. But in this sentence, the article is not used. But we must say, please pass me either the pen or please pass me a pen. So you can see here. Or I can say that please pass me your pen, the pronoun. So things should be clear. Either I can use the or can use a. But noun, singular, countable cannot be without any article or pronoun. So nouns in English can also be uncountable. Uncountable nouns can be, for example, concept, life, happiness, and so on. Or materials and substances, for example, coffee or wood. They are uncountable nouns, which we have already discussed. Okay. Now rule number 2. Uncountable nouns don't use a or n. Earlier we seen that only countable nouns use a or n. So what about now uncountable nouns? This is because you can't count them. For example, advice is uncountable noun. We cannot count advice. So you can't say that he gave me an advice. This is wrong. Advice is uncountable noun. I cannot use n because n is used only before countable nouns. But you can say that he gave me some advice. Some you can use preposition. He gave me a piece of advice. There you are right. For example, some nouns can be both countable or uncountables. For example, we say coffee. This is uncountable, meaning the product. But we also say that a coffee. So whether asking for 1 cup of coffee, I can use article before coffee, but which means a coffee. My purpose is that I am talking about a cup of coffee. Now rule number 3. You can use the, now we are talking about article the, to make general things specific. In general case we use an and in specific we use the. You can use the with any type of noun, be it countable or be it uncountable, plural or singular. In any case we can make use of this article the. Let's say, for example, please pass me a pen. Means any pen. Please pass me the pen. The pen that we both can see, which we can experience. The pen which is lying before me, before my eyes, right in front of me. So in that case the pen is specific. Children grow up quickly. Now children here in general. And the children I know grow up quickly. Not all children, but just the ones I know. That's specific. Poetry can be beautiful. So poetry in general here. But the poetry of Hopkins is beautiful means the specific poetry by Hopkins. So here I am not talking about the poetry Hopkins wrote in case of without article. But when I use article the, it becomes specific, written by somebody like Hopkins or Wordsworth. Okay, let us move ahead. Now apart from these, there are some more rules. Let us see them. For example, rivers, mountain ranges, seas, oceans, geographic areas all use the. For example, the river, the ocean, on the bank of the river. So in all cases this is exclusive that we will have to remember. Again you can see on your screen the Narmada, the Thames, the Alps. These are the names of the rivers that they carry article the before them. The Atlantic Ocean, the Middle East. So before all of them, oceans, mountains and rivers, they make use of article not a or n but the before them. Then we have unique things. They also use the before them. For example, the sun. The sun is unique. There is only one sun on this planet and that is unique. The moon. So sun and moon, Whenever it appears in the now in any sentence, we are supposed to make use of the before them. So we have the sun. I can't say a sun. I can't say a moon. They always are used as the sun or the moon. Then we have, for example, some institutional buildings which don't have an article if you visit them for the reason. These buildings exist. Let's say, for example, but if you go to the building for another reason, you must use the. Okay, let me clarify. If there is a prison, the prison is erected for a different purpose. But if I go to, not for the same purpose as the building is erected, but if I go to some different purpose, at that time I can use article the. Let us understand through this example. Her husband is in prison. So here before prison, any article is not used. He is a prisoner. But she goes to the prison to see him once a month. The reason is different. She is going there to meet her husband. Therefore, in the second sentence, article the is used before prison. My son is in school. See, before school there is article not used. But in the second sentence, I am going to the school to see the headmaster. I am not going to school to study, but I am going to school to see the headmaster. So my purpose is different. Therefore, in the second sentence, article the is used. She is in hospital at the moment. Here again, article is not used before hospital. In the second sentence, her husband goes to the hospital to see her every afternoon. Here he is not the patient, but he goes to see the patient. So therefore the purpose is different. Therefore, in the second sentence, article the before hospital is used. Then we have musical instrument. For example, the guitar, the harmonium, the flute, they all carry article the before them. She plays the piano, or she plays the harmonium, or the tabla. Sports don't have an article. Please remember, football, cricket, hockey, we never use article a, n or the before any sport noun. Before cricket, we cannot use article. They always appear in the sentence without any article. No the, no a, no n. He plays football. Illness don't have an article. For example, he's got malaria. So any illness, we do not use article before them. But we can say a cold or a headache. There are some exceptions. Then we say jobs, for example. So when we are talking about any job, they carry article a. For example, I am a teacher, I am a doctor, I am a policeman. So any job before, we can use article a. Then we have countries. We don't use a if the country is singular. For example, India, I cannot use a before India because India is singular. He lives in England. So before England, here article is not used. But if the country's name has a plural meaning, we use the. For example, the People's Republic of China. So before the People's Republic of China, article the is used. The Netherlands. So it is not about single Netherlands, but the group of that country, nation. So therefore, article the is used. The United States of America, this is again a group. So therefore, article the is used here. We have some rules. For example, continents, towns and streets, they don't have an article. For example, Africa, New York, Church Street, they don't have article before them. Then we have theaters, cinemas, hotels, they have the article. For example, the Odeon, the Almera, the Hilton, the Thakur. So these, whenever there is a hotel name, an institutional name, they have cinema name, theater name, article the before them. Then we have abbreviations, short forms, they also use the. For example, UN, United Nations. So the short form abbreviation UN, before them we can use article the. So the UN, the USA, the IMF. So before them the article the is used. Then we use the before classes of people. The rich, the poor, the British. This is the classes of people, category of the people. So before them also we are supposed to use the. For example, the Indian, the American, the Africans. So this is particular class of people. So we are supposed to use the before them. Then up to now we have cleared when to use article a, when to use article an, and when to use article the, and how to use them. Now let us discuss when not to use them. So please remember, don't use article a and n in case of before proper nouns. If there is a name of a place or any person, we do not use article. Let's say for example Priya, India or Rajkot. These are the names of the place or person. So before them never article we are supposed to use a or n. Then before abstract nouns, love, anger, hatred, they are abstract nouns, they are uncountable nouns. Before them also we do not use article. Then before mass nouns, milk, sugar, water, oil, please do not use n or a article before them. Then plural nouns, boys, men, books and apples. Before them article a and n do not appear. So what does it mean? Article a and n only occur before countable nouns, because this means article a or n means one. So you can count and then you can say one or two. So now when to use article a and n? Before all singular countable nouns. Two conditions. Number one, noun should be singular. Number two, noun should be countable. It should be counted 1, 2, 3. 1 boy, 2 boys, 3 boys. A chocolate, for example, a book, an elephant, an orange. So here you can see 4 names on your screen. Before them article a or n respectively used. Now when to use a? Let us be specific, more specific. When to use a, article a? Initial sound, please remember, it is not about, we have 26 letters of alphabets in English language, out of which we have 5 vowels and remaining rest of the letters are called consonants. So here I am not referring to any letter of alphabet, whether a consonant or vowel. We are here talking about sound when we speak. For example, U is vowel sound, but when I pronounce it becomes consonant. U, it becomes consonant. So initial sound of a singular countable noun must be consonant. For example, a tree, a village, a house, a window, a question, a computer. So all these ta, va, ha, va, ka and q, all of them are consonants. Before them article a is used. Here you can see U is a university, U is vowel, but pronunciation of this word begins with U. U is in speaking consonant, therefore article a is used. A school, a table, a chapter, a mango, a film, all of them are countable nouns. All of them are they begin with initial consonant sound. In this case we are supposed to use article a. Now when to use n? Obviously it is very simple now. When there is a vowel sound. So initial sound of a singular countable noun must be vowel. In that case we can use article n. Let's say for example an orange, an umbrella, an ice cream, an eye, an answer, an inkpot, an hour. Here you can see an hour. H is consonant but the pronunciation is r. So r sound is vowel, therefore article n is used. So don't be confused with the sound. An honest man, see H is consonant but the pronunciation is O, therefore article n is used. An intelligent boy, an animal, an online class, an educated man. Before man article occurs a, but here before adjective a, educated, sound is a, therefore we are supposed to make use of corresponding to the adjective used before the noun. Therefore in all these cases article n is used. Once again singular, countable and must begin with vowel sound. In that case we can use article n. Okay friends, so we have discussed articles in details. I hope that these articles, definite and indefinites, are clear to you. Thank you.